G'day, today we're going to be taking a behind the scenes look of what goes into getting this 10 seconds of ride-by footage. This one all went wrong. The footage I actually wanted was going uphill, but I'd never made it again. Never made it back up the hill again. So this is my first attempt. The plan was to ride up the hill to get a feel for it, set up the cameras, ride back down and ride up the hill getting the money shot, to collect my cameras and be on my way. Oh, no. I gotta get over that side. But I'm in clay. Not in a good spot here, am I? That's alright, you can go off. Oh. Okay, we're going to turn around, are we? Alright, let's try that again. Made it. So I'll walk back down to set up the cameras. I wanted to put the camera on the other side, but I would have been looking into the sun. I don't know why I didn't bring the tripod with me, it was in the bag. I also ended up taking the camera off my helmet, setting it up, looking down the track. This will give you a bit of an idea of how steep and rocky it is. You can see lots of black marks in the rock from four-wheel drives where they've had trouble getting up it. Rightio, back down I go, nice and easy. Okay, here's attempt number 3. Oh no. I didn't get far enough to the right, so the rock kicked me over to the side into the mud, and there was just no hope of saving it. So I've had to drag the bike around so it points back downhill. That is not a pleasant sound. I was in a really awkward position here. I could not get a better lifting. I could not get into a better lifting position here. So I got stuck here because the back wheel is against a rock. You can see my right hand's holding the front brake, and I'll let it off slightly just to let the bike move forward a little bit. There's no way I was putting the bike back down because I wouldn't have had the strength to pick it up again. There we go. It's about now I realised I should have put the stand down before I picked the bike up. No, can't get it. Gonna have to roll down a bit.
Oh no, that didn't go to plan. Oh, I had to slide the bike around, pick it up, and then get it to a spot where it could park. Oh, I got my breath back and had a drink. Whew. Oh no. Whoop, whoop, whoop. How am I going to get on that? I don't know. I might have to walk it for a bit until I get somewhere better. Because I reckon if I swing my leg over, you're just going to have to. Just there is a better spot, isn't it? Oh dear. Just gonna have to go into the mud, let it go.
Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Hopefully a bit more successful than this one.